Hello, my name is Suzannah Williams and I run a research group at the University of Oxford investigating ovarian function in health and disease, and we try to develop techniques for fertility preservation for girls, women and also endangered species including rhinoceros. I'm an associate editor for the journal Reproduction and Fertility, and my particular role on the editorial board is as lay editor. This means my responsibility is to look at the lay abstracts that come in, and these are specifically for research articles and research papers, and have a look at them and make sure that they're fully accessible for the lay audience. So what does this mean? This means that we're trying to make sure our research is accessible to as many people as possible. So rather than full of scientific jargon and full of technical words, which really you only know if you're really in the field, we're trying to make it much more accessible so that we can advertise your work more widely, publicise it more, and also make it more interesting to everybody. So if you try and imagine writing it for example, your mum who may not work in the field, or your friend who works in construction, or your other friend who works in a bank, that's the kind of thing we're trying to get to. So you basically make it, it's not dumbing it down, but it's making it much more accessible, simplifying phrases and explaining them just a little bit so that people can understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, and the importance of what you're doing. So this is what we're trying to achieve with these lay abstracts. I am a huge proponent of them, which is I think why I was asked to do this job. Public communication is hugely important. If the people that you're trying to, the work you're trying to do, if you can't communicate it, then you might well not have done it. And the more people that understand the work and more people get excited about your work, the better. So I look forward to reading your lay abstracts, and I've already read some fantastic ones. Really enjoying working with you and getting your lay abstracts in good shape and hearing all about your research. Thank you very much.